ever wonder what someone's leg cross really means? Well, there's a lot of information there. And if people are in a group, you'll watch this happen over and over. Their foot will point to the leader of the group or who they're most interested in. So watch for their feet, because our feet are the part of us that actually we're in the least control of. So you'll see a group with the leader in the middle, and to both sides, and this will naturally happen, people will cross their feet towards them. So watch for that. Now, people can cross their legs so that they're guarding against whatever you're presenting. Again, one of the easiest things to do to get them to open up is to get them up. It's impossible to cross your legs when people are standing up. Now, you're going to have your work cut out for you if you're getting the kind of leg cross that goes like this. This is a figure 4. They call it a cowboy cross. They don't do this in Europe, but this is creating a very cemented barrier between you and your idea and them. So if you see this, you're going to have a lot of work to do to get them on your page. Get them to move? Good luck.